Yes. Good morning, students. Today, myself Sanjeev Roy. I will be taking the class of electricity in physics, chapter first. Today, we will learn regarding resistance. Okay. Let us start. And what is, first of all, what do you mean by resistance? Resistance is the property of a conductor which resists the flow of electric current through it. I again repeat it, the property of a conductor which resists the flow of electric current through it. Suppose this is a wire and current is flowing through this wire itself. Now the atoms or ions of this wire, of the material of this wire, is producing a restriction to the flow of current. I again repeat, suppose this is a wire and through this the current is flowing through this wire. Now the atoms and ions of this wire will produce a restriction, or it will not allow this current to flow through this wire. This is known as resistance. What amount of resistance this material is producing to the flow of this electric current is known as resistance. Now, the SI unit, that is Standard International Unit of Resistance, is ohm. Again, the resistance is denoted by capital R. Note it down. The resistance is denoted by capital R, while the SI unit, that is Standard International Unit of Resistance, is ohm. This is the figure. Get remind of this figure. This is new for you. Here, the figure of ohm. Again, I repeat it. Whatever the obstruction being produced by the atoms or ions of this material to the flow of current, whenever the current is flowing through this wire, the material of this, the atoms and ions of this material is producing a restriction to the flow of this electric current. This restriction is known as resistance. Now, what are the factors on which this resistance depends? There are a number of ways, number of factors. The factors representing the resistance of a conductor, affecting the resistance of the conductor, first is length. First is length of the conductor. Second is area of the cross section. Fourth is material of the conductor. And fourth one is temperature of the conductor. Now let us take in detail. First of all is length of the conductor. The more the length of the conductor is more. If your wire is length of the wire is too much long, there is more number of restriction. There is more number of atoms or ions the current will have to face. If the length is more, the total restriction is more. The total resistance is more. That is, resistance is directly proportional to length. If the length is more, the resistance will be more. Second case is area of cross section. Now, what do you mean by area of cross section? Suppose this is a wire and we cut this wire in this cross section way. This is the wire, and if we cut this wire in this cross sectionally, then whatever the area of this wire, that is known as area of cross section. Now, if the cross section area of this wire is more, the resistance will be less, because in that case the ions, there is less number of ions. That's why the electric current is getting more space so that it can pass it very easily. While if the cross section area is less, if the wire is quite thin in cross section, then it is more restricted places and the current will flow in very difficult way. So if the area of cross section depends, the resistance is inversely proportional, that is 1 upon A. That is, if area is less, resistance is more. If area is more, resistance is less. Fourth one is material. Now, it also depends upon the material to material. Some material is having less number of atoms in a unit cross section area, while in other materials have more number of atoms. Some are having less and some are having more. So it also depends upon the material itself, it depends it. If the number of atoms is more, it will have more resistance. If the number of atoms is less, it will have less resistance. Fourth one is temperature. It also depends upon the temperature itself. On increasing the temperature, the resistance will decrease. On increasing the temperature, the resistance will increase. On decreasing the temperature, the resistance will decrease.